Yeah, hi friends. Yeah, today we are discussing about the Android history. Previously, we discussed what is Android and how it works and everything. So today we discuss about the Android history. So what is Android history? In that Android history, today we discuss about what is the background of Android and what is Android. In that first we discuss what is the background of the Android. So here, see, here two graphs will be there. One graph for the Android applications and other graph will be the different applications. So in here, for example, previously internet users are so many. Presently nowadays this generation will be the completely its generation is related to mobile applications only. That's why previously in 97 to 2007, just we compare here graphs. See, those graphs will be here. See, this graph will be the worldwide, and this graph will be the, see here, this graph will be, see there, so many internet users will be increased like this. But here mobile application users will be increased, means compared to these internet users in the sense these laptops, mobiles, those, except. But here compared to internet users, mobile users will be, count will be, it will be increasing regularly, it will be increasing and increasing. So that's why it will be the, regularly it will be increased. Why mobile applications, that's why mobile applications will be so. And in that, majorly developed mobile applications will be the open handset aliens, means OHA in sense open handset aliens. In that open handset aliens, Android will also come into that. This mobile this OHA means so many companies are using this OHA, like here see Vodafone and Intel, AKM. So many companies are using eBay, Google, Nesser. So many companies, Asus. So many companies are using this OHA, Open Handset Aliens. Open. Why? Because Open Handset Aliens, in the sense, it will be the open and free source, means open source in the sense it will be available for the easy, it will be easy means it will be free of cost. OS will be free of cost, that's why it will be the open handset aliens. So next will be the what is Android. What is Android? Already we, in previous sessions we already discussed what is Android. In sense, Android Android is a stack set of mobiles. Mean why? Because Android delivers a complete set of software for the mobile devices. That is, in sense, operating systems. First will be the operating system, and second one will be the middleware, and final one will be the key mobile applications. In sense, it will be the stack of mobiles. Means based on this Android only, the mobiles will be working. Means it's a mobile operating system and middleware and keyword. So, and second point will be the Android will be the free and open source. What is open source? Open source in the sense it will be the free of cost software, and operating system is the free of cost. And next will be the breaking down application boundaries. Breaking down application boundaries in the sense, compared, for example, take here iPhone, iOS, and BlackBerry, Windows. So many operating systems are there in mobile. So compared to those applications, these will be, here no restrictions will be there. If you can use any plugin, means you can use. If you need any map related applications, you can you can use the map applications. If you can use the Google APIs like maps and maps and so many so many is there, means like for example, if you want to put push notifications on your application, you can use the Google push notifications, like that. So many applications will be free of cost in your Android, and compared to remaining applications, it will be fast, easy application development will also easy. Why? Because it will be the platform independent, so we can develop this application in any platform simultaneously. So for example, here one application is there. In that one application, you have three modules. For example, take calculator. In that calculator, you have addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So one person is doing for the program for the subtraction, one person doing for the additions, one person doing for the multiplication. In that, three modules will be in three different operating systems. First person using Mac, second person using the Linux, and third person using the Windows, and fourth person integrating the those three modules in any operating systems. Means simultaneously we can add those options into any platform. It will be the free and open source. These will be the major things. And next thing, we discuss about the history of the Android. What is the history? Means when it will be started, how it will be implemented, those things. So in 2007 2001, search service for the wireless devices. In 2001, first in 2001, those people are searching for the wireless devices. Before that, wireless devices are count will be less. So those are searching for the our system. So, and after that, in 2005, one startup company, means those one startup company, in that five members of Java developers are developed this Android application, Android operating system. In that, Henry Rubin will be the main of the CEO of that company, and after that, 2005 Java developers developed this. And one more thing here, and each and every version of Android has one desert name. Why? Because means those five members of Java developers mostly like deserts. That's why each and every version has a name of desert. And whenever they launch the basic Android in 2005, at that time, just 2D graphics for the mobile devices, and acquire raise wireless, means it will be the browser, email, mobile devices. And next will be the next will be the next will be it will be some platform fools. And next, after that, 2005 up to 2007 November 5, it will be handled by the same company only. After that, 2007 November, Google will purchase the Android and announces the Android as a free and open source. And whenever Google will take care of this Android and they announce the open source, at that time onwards, Google will be developing the Android OS. After 2007 December, the bug fix SDK released. Means first SDK the Google will be released, and in the 2008 in the month of January, Android developers first development will be started. Means first mobile applications will be released in the market, that will be in the device of HTC One. HTC One will be the first device of this Android. And after that 2008 February, one M5 SDK will be released. Some from 2008 onwards, some one by one, step by step, it will be the starting the process. And in April 2017, submissions in for the challenge, and after that 50 applications in the announced, the Google will be challenging to announce. And finally in 2008 November, Android phone will be released in the market, and 2008 November onwards, Android will be the complete free and open source. They announced it as a complete free and open source. And after that, 2009 second device will be the HTC Magic, and 2009 July, Hero, Samsung, and so many distributors will comes into the Android setup. And 2009 onwards, Android second generation will be starting. Means in the development stage, second generation will be starting. Before that, it will be the first generation. And next, whenever Google announces the open source, what is open source here? We can discuss open source in the sense it will be available for software, will be available for the free of cost, and based on that it will be the C. Here industry, in between users are there, industry as well as developers. First, what is the part of industry? C, software stack open sourced under the Apache 2080, means this will be the Android industry. In Android industry providing the software, it's a free of cost. Okay, then next will be the source available after first handset shifts, means some source code also available for the applications, and anyone will be able to build the system image, means anyone build anyone can build their own applications into this. Next will be the developer. Developer means developer what they need, don't need any permission to ship a application, means he didn't need any permission to develop the applications. No hidden and prevalent framework APIs, means every API will be available in the software, means that will be the www.developer.android.com. And next, can integrate, extend, and replace existing component. Any type of application you can build this using this application, that is possible in here. That will be the open source. And finally, end users. End users have users have control of their experience. They control their installed, means for example, basically any mobile contain only for some few of applications. So based on those applications, if you can need extra, means you can install those like that. They have to control this whatever the programs installed, and they can choose the default settings, those whatever the applications, those will be the end. And next will be the in that a developer, already we discussed these points there, means a developer can integrate any application and extend that application into any way, means for example maps, and extra music features, extra so many applications if you can need, means you can integrate into the your application. Thank you for the listening demo. If you are like this video, you can